Now we're looking into a cover. This cover is 15 meters per 9 meters, and it has this semicircle part in the center of 5 meters radius. So we're going to define this in S-frame. And we're going to use the cylindrical grid to help us out with this. Getting back to S-frame, you can see here there is this prepared model, so we can work around this one. And it has the 15 meters length and 9 meters width. And following our previous workflow, we can open the grid definitions window. We can create a new grid set, and we're going for cylindrical grid set, and we're going to cylindrical. So with this, we can start defining our parameters. As we can see, there's this shape with 5 meters radius, and it's placed just in the center. So we are going to work with that one. And for this, start with the grid spaces. So we're going to define one of the spaces, and it will be in a 4 meter basis. Apparently nothing changed when at the moment we define the grid spaces. Let's say we want first 5 grids at 10 grids, and as you can see now it's been defined. But we want the semicircle completed, so we're going to define maybe 20 grid lines and going for 9 degrees. And as you can see now this has been defined. We can change it here for any number we want. Maybe we want 40 grids and going for 4.5. This means is the number of grids are going to define following the spacing as the y direction showed before. So it's important to keep that in mind. We can just maybe select 5 number of grids and going for 36. And as you can see, the shape is being defined, but it's not the ideal shape. So we're going to try to select something that can be useful for our purposes. And now with the general shape being defined, we can click OK. But the grid is being placed in the global coordinate system here. And we don't have here a reference point to just place a coordinate system here at of the distance. So for that, we're going to start using the offsets here. So we wanted this grid just in the center, so we are going to check up. There's 15 meters, so the center will be in around 7.5 meters. We can click OK, and you can see this got updated. And I'm going to go to the top view, and as you can see now it's placed more similar to the shape we are interested in. And this also works in the y direction in case we don't want it just placed here and maybe we want this semicircle shape just above here like an extension. We can change now the offset of this in a 9 meters. See, this got moved to the new place. So it all depends on the distance you are trying to work with. But for the example we are working with, we're going just for a 0 offset and for 7.5 being the middle distance of this side. And with this we can start defining our members. So I can go to the members definition tool, and for the 2 joints I'm going to start defining this. Now we have all our geometry defined. We can get rid of the lower part, and that's it. We have now our cover as we wanted to. I'm going to get rid of the grid for a moment. The general shape here is practically the same. And if you have any other question, maybe related to the grids or other stuff about the products, you can always reach out and we're going to take a look into that.